Oh man, I just got the brand new Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and it's brand new. Except it's not. Okay, let's play it. Alright, gotta figure out a place to put it so I don't litter when I'm done playing the game. Except I'm not gonna be done playing the game because I'm gonna be playing this for like 3 months. Anyways, where should I put it? Poke Park? No. Sonic the Hedgehog 2006? No. Scooby-Doo? Maybe. Let's try it here. Oh yeah, that was good. Okay, let's play it now. Okay, so let's see if I remember this right. Those get. Come on. All done. Alright, let's just start this game up and what? Ah! Oh god. Where am I? Well, this looks stuff like someone's basement. Okay, what is this place, or where am I exactly? Okay. Hello! Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Wait, is he conscious? Gotta steal his wallet. Hey, buddy. Doesn't have any pockets, so steal his wallet. Hey, buddy, wake up.
Oh, why'd they have to do that?
Well, you scared me and freaked me the heck out.
Yeah, I guess I deserve that.
Yeah, anyways. Okay, where am I exactly?
Hyrule Genius, after what Calamity Ganon did 100 years ago. When were you born? Yesterday?
Wait. Hyrule. Legend of Zelda Hyrule?
Yeah? Wait, what's Legend of Zelda?
Hey pal, I know this sounds crazy, but,
Yeah?
I'm not from here.
Wait, you're not from here?
Yeah.
Come with me!
Wait, what? Okay pal, where are you taking me exactly?
Before I tell you, I need to tell you this. A long time ago, I've always wanted to say that because no one else would have listened to me, but anyway, a long time ago, Ganon transformed into Calamity Ganon. He was then unstoppable, but a hero named Link tried to stop him. He went to his castle, and he died instantly. Yeah, like instantly. Like, and Princess Zelda is still captured. So, but she said someone else would save her from another universe. And I think that is you. Are you in?
No. Pal, I'd love to help you, but can you see this? This is flat right here. I can't help you, okay? I can't help you, alright?
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah. Vámonos muchachos. Whatever the Italians say.
But I also heard, Ganon's gonna destroy your universe too.
What?
Yeah, he has the power to do it, so he's gonna do it. And he's gonna destroy every single thing.
Again, I told you, I can't help you, so goodbye. Have fun with that.
Wait. Zelda has a heart for anyone that saves her.
I'm in.
Yeah, let's do this. Alright.
Jeez, it's so hot. It's just so hot and bright out.
So,
Well, old man, is that you?
yes. I can speak to you telepathically.
Man, I want that. What do you want?
I need to tell you something. Do
What?
you know what a Sheikah slate is?
No idea.
Check your pants.
Old man, we're gonna have a serious talk afterwards. Wait, it is in my pants. Okay, what do I do now, old man?
Just look around. There's a lot to see. I'm gonna go take a nap. Don't die.
Okay, alright. Don't really know where to put this, so I guess I'll just sit on the ground. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, whatever. Alright, gotta go look around, I guess. Like the old man said. Well, I don't really know what to do with this stick thing. What the? Wait, what's this? Well, looks like I've accomplished everything I needed to do today. Who knows, maybe I'll explore some other... Hi there! Ah! Well, he's dead.